Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls. And today I'm doing a fall unboxing. It is, the end of August. It's actually the last week of August. And I have been itching, and I mean itching, to start fall decorating. It is still so hot here in the south. Actually, if you see behind me, the windows are steamed up. It's so humid out. But I think that's why I'm yearning for cooler weather and the fall. Oh, goodness gracious. I can't wait for sweaters and boots again. But that shall come. In the meantime, I have been doing many fall tutorials and craft projects, keeping me busy and in the air conditioning, which has been lovely, and enjoying every single bit of the fall DIYs, and I hope you have been too. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you'll become a subscriber, and if you hit the notification bell, every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. And if you are a subscriber already, welcome back, and thank you for joining me again and being here with me. This has been so much fun for me. It's keeping my mind occupied and my hands busy as my family goes through a severe health crisis with my husband. He's been battling cancer. For those of us who have been doing the caregiving, we're kind of homebound, and so this for me has given me an outlet, a way to keep my mind busy and creative. And I know some of you out there may be experiencing some of these things yourself, and if you are, God bless you, and I pray that God keeps his hand upon you and your loved ones. But in the meantime, I am really looking forward to fall and changing the decor in my home. I love the warm colors of fall, and you know, I've done the rich golds and oranges and browns and hunter greens for years, and I really enjoy that. And even though I've kind of added some farmhouse features to my home still traditionally has got the deeper tones, the more jewel tones, the reds, the burgundies, the greens, and so forth. So I am going to use my oranges and my pups of golds and creating a warm and cozy environment for my family, and giving us that vibe, if you will, of fall. So I know in another week it will be Labor Day weekend. Yay! We're so excited. My son said the other day, oh, I can't wait for September 1st. We're all so yearning for the cooler weather. So I know you probably are too, and if you haven't started unpacking your fall decor, I give you permission. Not that we need permission. It's just, I know so many people that I've been talking to are itching to slide out of summer and into the fall season. So golly, my son ended up taking out 5 boxes. I didn't imagine that I had 5 boxes, but I actually do. One thing that was very sad was years ago when he was just a baby, I had made a beautiful large orange jack-o'-lantern in ceramics, and oh my goodness, I loved that piece. And every year I would put it in our bay window and light it up, and it was just kind of a fun thing for us. And this year it got broken. He took the tub down that had it in, and I had it wrapped so well, but who knows. Anyway, it got broken, and I was devastated over it. But you know, there's other things worse going on right now in our life, so that's the littlest of it. So anyway, I'm gonna now start unboxing, and then over the next couple of videos, you're gonna see me do some decorate with me as I start to have some fun and start putting out some of the fall decorations. So 5 tubs filled with fall goodness. I am so excited. I'm like a little kid on Christmas morning. I love, love, love opening up the boxes to see all my pretties I've collected through the years. Oh, I can see I got a little chip on my jack-o'-lantern plate. Look at these cute little ghosts.
This is my Halloween bin. That's a little sweater that I used to put on my son's teddy bear. Now I can use it for my grandson. I don't know about you, but it's really big in the South when I moved here. Everybody does a little boo bag. If you're new in the neighborhood, you get a little boo bag with some candy and, usually a kitchen towel or something cute, little pumpkin, just to kind of welcome you to the neighborhood. Ooh, here's some Halloween straws. I'll be using those. And my plaid pumpkins. These cute little jack-o'-lantern lights I got at the Dollar Tree last year. They're battery operated. And I got a bunch of orange lights in there as well. This cute little scarecrow. And then this cute little pumpkin thing. I got that at the Christmas tree shop years ago. Oh, and here's my bigger pumpkins. I just love pumpkins. All different shapes and sizes and colors. Now, these sparkly ones I don't love so much anymore. I used them for a ladies' tea, and I haven't used them since, and I need to DIY them. If anybody has any ideas, put them in the comments below. Okay, here's my tub with garland and picks. Actually, there's two separate tubs. One tub's all garland, and one tub's all picks and florals. So this must be the garland tub. This is a cute little door hanger that I made. And lots of garland I've collected over the years. You always need garland. There's some florals underneath of that. Oh yeah, and here's my filler. I keep those in little baggies and I use them year to year. Got lots of that. Raffia. Lots of picks. Some sunflowers, some berries. Some scarecrows on a stick, which I usually use in arrangements. And I disassemble my arrangements every year because each year I do it a little bit different or in a different container. So I always disassemble them so I can store them easily as well. And here's a whole baggie full of leaves that I use in my displays and vignettes. When you collect stuff like this over the years, I do purge at the end of every year. Some things are ratty looking, I throw them out. Or donate them if I'm just tired of them. Or pass them on. But for the most part, I try to keep things in good condition. And because they're boxed in these heavy-duty tubs, they stay really well. Now here's my box of little pumpkins. Look at them all. They're so cute. And there's all kinds of colors, and these are ceramic ones, so pretty with the metal leaves on them. And all different colors. Oh, these are cute. These are little tea light holders. I got them years ago, and when you put the tea lights in them, it's so pretty. Those leaves light up. Really cute. So I'll use that on maybe my tiered trays. Oh, here's the beautiful wooden pumpkins I got with my sister up in Maine. Oh, I just love them. Whoever made them, the artist that made them, look at them. They're all different and so pretty. I bought 6 different ones. They were so cute and they were so cheap. We couldn't believe them. I think they were like a couple bucks each. So I filled up my suitcase when I flew home with those. I was so excited. Oh, this is a pretty ceramic pumpkin. Look at this one. I love the color and the texture on it. Some big acorns. I know a lot of people have been hauling the acorns from the Dollar Tree, which are tiny little things. These are about the size of a plum. I've had them for years, and I don't even know where I got them anymore. But they're a good size, and they're great, like for a Thanksgiving tablescape. Really, really pretty. Oh, this is this is like the matching ceramic one with the little metal leaf on it. You see all the pretty colors. Oh, this is a little bowl that I put like soft spreadable cheese in, and it's got a little knife. Cute. And I use that for fall entertaining or for Thanksgiving. Put a little southern pimento cheese in it. Look at all these pretty colors. Oh, there's some burlap pumpkins, and these are ceramic pumpkins. And some gourds, pears. I love that color green, it's so pretty. And a lot of times the colored ones I use down the center of my Thanksgiving table, all the different gourds and colored pumpkins. I think it looks so pretty. And this, oh, this is such a beautiful pumpkin. This looks like wood, but it's not. Look at how beautiful that is. The texture of it, I just love it, and it's a good size. And this is a maple leaf candle. I've never burnt it. It's just so pretty. I don't want to burn it, but I use it in vignettes. Those pretty pumpkins. So pretty. So here is what we've accomplished so far. Unboxing some of the tubs. Now I'm going to get into my dish one. This is a pumpkin jar, and I use this every year. I have since my son was younger. I filled it with Halloween candy. I'm not a lover of candy corns, so I know a lot of people use that for decoration, but I'm going to find this year something that is in the fall colors, but a candy that I like. What's your favorite fall or Halloween candy? And here's some of the dishes that I like to use during the fall season. Some pretty leaf plates. And those are great for entertaining and just serving a hors d'oeuvre in, or even just a side for Thanksgiving. This is a big one, and I usually use this for like mashed potatoes or squash on Thanksgiving. It's so pretty. And my big one is just a pretty green leaf platter, and I use that as well for Thanksgiving. I wrap them really well. Do you have dishes like that that you use just seasonally? Comment below.